Might have thrown out the instructions for this, so this is not going to be an easy assemble, nor is this going to be a normal video. How's it going, RC drivers? Greg here, and I've got a bunch of Spazstix paints in because I've got a lot of bodies around here that I need to paint. And Spazstix, if you haven't seen this brand before, they offer a lot of different unique colors that'll make your RC car really stand out. And I'm gonna show you the colors that they offer today. And this right here is basically their display stand for a countertop display. And I thought it'd be pretty cool to have here in the workshop. I just gotta get this thing assembled. There we go, got that thing together. That was not easy without instructions, but I think I did it right. Looks pretty good. Now we gotta fill it up with paints and wait till you see these colors that Spazstix has. And I'm gonna put this over here on the bench because once I fill that up with paint, it's gonna be really hard to move. But check this out. These are all the colors that Spazstix has to offer, and there's a lot of unique colors in here that can really make your RC car stand out. Let's get some of these out of the box, take a look at a few unique colors, and see what I'm gonna use for all those bodies that I have to paint. Did a little unpacking and thought I'd show you guys some of the colors I pulled out of the boxes so far. So Spazstix actually has spray cans and they have airbrush paints as well. Check this out, the spray cans. These are 3.5 ounce cans. Check that out, Battleship Grey. That's gonna look really cool. I've got Tangelo Orange, Deep Sea Blue, and Electric Blue. Those look pretty close to me actually, but check this out, Olive Drab. That's gonna be a really cool color for some rigs, and I think these are completely airbrush ready. I don't think you need to thin them out. It does look pretty thin. That's gonna be pretty awesome. What's this? Mirror Chrome Red. We've got Gold Metallic over here. This is Dark Orange. And this is a can I've actually already used, Desert Tan. I painted the G-Made crawler with that color. That's a sick color. Check this out, this is pretty interesting. They've got a high gloss black or color change backer. And then over here, they have an ultimate black backer. And this, I guess, is specifically for the mirror chrome. So just watch yourself if you are doing the mirror chrome. You want to get the proper backer. And then they've got Fire Red, and I thought this was cool. Candy Apple Green. I got to try this one. More airbrush colors. We've got Clover Green and Emerald Green, which is pretty cool because there's not a lot of cool green options. Those are definitely unique. Over here, we've got Light Orange, and I already showed you guys this Dark Orange. Next up, Bright Gunmetal, Ultimate Mirror Chrome, Candy Gold. That looks pretty awesome. And you got to see these. These are the paints that I think Spazstix is really well known for. They're color change paints. So this one here, it changes from orange, purple to teal. This one's green, silver, blue, teal blue, and then blue and red. Just make sure that when you pick these up, you get the black backer just to make sure everything pops once you spray this. So yeah, RC drivers, a lot of cool colors from Spazstix, and there's plenty more in their catalog, but this Battleship Grey right here, this has been calling me. I got the perfect project for this paint to go on. And here's the body I was talking about. It's for a Red Cat Scout project that I've been working on for quite some time, and I've got a few more weeks to go in the build. So if you want to see this body all finished up, you're gonna have to hang around the channel for that. Make sure you're subscribed. But wow, this paint goes on really well. It's got some good coverage. This is pretty much ready to go. I do have to back it in black still, and I want to paint the interior, but I still have like a third of the can left. So the coverage is really good. Did spray actually pretty close. You know, I didn't have a far spread on this, so I don't have any drips whatsoever. Seems to dry pretty quick, and it almost has the smell of like an automotive paint. So I think this is gonna adhere pretty well. I'll have to see when I'm out driving it, but again, these guys have some really cool colors. Just love this primer look, or excuse me, Battleship Grey. And I was looking at the chart here. They have some other backers as well. So just a heads up, if you're using a fluorescence, make sure you back it with a white. If you're using candy, sometimes you back with silver, sometimes you back with white, sometimes you back with black. You have a lot of options to play with the paint to come up with some cool custom colors beyond what you get here. But wow, really excited to use these paints some more. And if you're into it, I'll have links for this stuff in the video description below.